How to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11 or 10. First of all, open up a browser that you are comfortable with. And on the search URL, you have to type in the link that is win-rar.com. That is win-rar.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will land on this page. So from here, scroll down a bit and there is a download option. Here, click on download. Again, that's gonna take you to next page. Here, scroll down a bit and then here you have various selection that you can do. So you can choose the platform according to your device. So click on all and from this device you can simply choose Windows. Now again scroll down a bit and according to your language you can choose one of the version from here. Now here let's go with English, which is 64-bit, so click on it. Once you double click or once you click on it, now this file is being downloaded right here, as you can see. Now on your interface you will have some pop-up which shows the steps to install it in your device. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Click on yes. Now, in order to install it, you can choose the destination folder from here, or you can also continue with this default folder. Click on install. Now, from here, you can choose the file that you want to associate it or that you want to associate with your WinRAR. Or you can also continue with the default one. If you want to add WinRAR to your desktop, you can always select this first option. Once done, click on OK. Then click on Done. Now, this WinRAR installer has been done in your device. Click on it. And there you can see it is now successfully installed in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.